Hi, and welcome to how to use the TV and audio system at the beach house. So this gray remote is the Samsung audio. That's all it does is audio. If you don't want to use it, you can just turn up the volume on the television using the TV remote. But this is how you get surround sound. So you turn on with the red button, turn it on, and it's this gray box down here that turns on. You want to make sure it says digital in. If it doesn't say digital in, then you come up here and you press the function button. The function button changes it to auxiliary 1, 2, FM, AM, DVD, and then digital in. You want to make sure it says digital in. Next is turning on the TV. You grab the Sony remote, that's black, and you hit the green button to turn on the TV. Now, you can use all of these buttons that are on this TV remote, but we've got it set up instead to use the Apple TV. The Apple TV happens to be this little box back here, and it has this little remote right here. To turn it on, point toward the box and hit this menu button. And now that I've done that, it shows what's on Apple TV. You can use this small remote to swipe and make selections by pressing this area right here, or you can just pick up this TV remote and use the center buttons to go left, right, top, down, and enter in the center. So that's everything as far as how to use the TV and audio system at the beach house.